Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. Quick and easy. Click on Start menu and search for Settings. Open Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. And turn on Bluetooth by clicking the switch at the top. And that's how you turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.